Yeah, this part 5 of the training exercise. Take 2. See, she probably back there eating shit and everything right now. But I'm saying, so she be shitting and pissing all over this motherfucker. And then she be getting her exercise in. You know, tell her she eating no green shit or whatever. Then coming. Still hype. Let's go. Long wind. But it's natural, ain't no nothing on this right here. American Bird Dog, you know, bred by Hamburger. I'm in the 21st century with this shit. Pimping it all the way to the fullest. You know. 6 months old on the rope. Hit that rope, sugar. Sugar. It's May 9th, 2012 right here, 6 months old. Hit that rope, baby. Hit that rope, sugar. Get that rope, sugar. That should be hard to control. Get that rope so I can watch the film. Yeah, that weight you got on you ain't hard to get, ain't it? Get that rope. See, this exercise ain't been in a while. She trying to get a high part to it. See there? Let me see you shake that tree. Let me see you shake that tree. Shake that tree. Shake that tree, sugar. Shake that tree, sugar. Better get them legs down. Them legs get you hurt. Shake that tree. Yeah. Shake that tree. Got me a little more weight on you. You should be able to break that limb by now. And get that rubber. You need to get that rubber. Yeah, you need to get that rubber. You need to break that tree limb. Let's go. You tired? That's all we can do? That's all we can do, huh? Yeah, it's another month old. Yeah, let's break that tree limb. Come on. Let's break that tree limb. Yeah. Come on, make it shake harder than that. There you go. Gotta shake it up. Get that hoop. Get that hoop. That hoop ain't gonna give. Less than you give. There you go. Get that hoop. It ain't gonna give. Get that hoop. Now shake all that up. Shake that up. There you go. Shake that up. Shake that up. There you go. Yeah, come on. Shake that tree hard. We need to break that limb. Yeah. Come on. I want to see you break that limb. You can't break that limb? Need some incentive? Huh? Need some incentive? Huh? Need something to get you going? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let me hear you break it. Come on. Yep. Yeah. Just before the Mother's Day weekend. You know, 2012. American Bird Dog, sugar, 6 months old. Let's shake that limb. Yeah, shake that limb. 21st century breed right here. Let's get that in. Come on. I ain't say stop. Yeah, get that. Stay off that tree. You don't need no help from that tree. Stay off that tree. I don't hear no tree shake. I don't hear no limb break. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's that hoop. Now, shake that tree. Shake that tree. Shake that tree. Don't stop. Now, shake that hoop. There you go. Shake that hoop. See, if I have somebody out here to film you, I can spin you around. Can't spin you around. Huh? Come on. Shake that hoop. Shake that tree. Break that limb. That's what I want to see. Get that hoop. Get that hoop. See them holes you dug. Yeah. Now, let that string go and get that hoop. Let that string go and get that hoop. Yeah. Ain't nothing over there. Come on. Get that hoop. You tired? Oh, you ain't tired yet? Oh, shit. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now shake that. Get that rope. Yeah, shake that. Get that rope. Break that tree. That's what I'm talking about. Break that limb. Shake, 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 shake. Yeah, that got you high up, and there you go. That's what I'm talking about. When you jump, hold. Right there on the spot. Quit letting go. Nah, don't let go. Them legs gonna get you hurt. Yeah, them legs gonna get you hurt. You gotta lock it or bite it in half. There you go. There you go. Now shake that tree. Nope. Get that hoop. Get that hoop. Yeah, you tired. Get that hoop. Get that hoop. Man, we ain't got but goddamn 5 minutes of video. That's all the fight you got is 5 minutes, huh? You break that tree and see what I'm saying? Them hoes you dug. Up. Them hoes you dug. Come on, let's go. I know you tired. Yeah, knocking that energy out there. And ain't shit in there. Cause you would play with that. That's why you gotta get your ass out that water. I ain't put no motherfucking water in there. Get out that water. Did I put some water in there? Go home. Come on. Go home and get some water. Go home. Get it. Go on get it then. Go on get it. Get the water. Drink. See, you recognize. Well, that's just 35 pounds right there, right now. You know, American Bird Dog. Oh, this May 9th, 2012. I'm sending this out to all my kids, my daughters, my nephew now. You know, mama, sister. You know, this part of the family. Very soon we be getting Ginger on here. You getting Tyson. Everybody on this network right here. All right.